In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Figma frames to a PDF. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your Figma frames into a clean, multi-page PDF you can share, print, or send to clients and teammates. First, make sure you're inside the Figma file you want to export and that your designs are placed inside frames. Figma creates one PDF page per frame in the same order they appear in your Layers panel from top to bottom. Clear, descriptive frame names make it easier to keep things organized and ensure the pages appear in a logical sequence. To begin, click on the Figma icon in the top left corner of the app. This is the main menu button and it's your starting point for file-level actions. If you're working in the browser, you'll find it in the same place at the upper left of your canvas. Clicking this opens a menu with options related to the current file. From that menu, select Export Frames to PDF. This command tells Figma to gather the frames on your current page and compile them into a single PDF document. Figma will only include frames, not groups or individual layers, so if something doesn't appear in the final PDF, double-check that it's placed inside a frame rather than just sitting on the canvas. Also remember that only visible frames are exported, so hidden frames won't make it into the PDF. Next, click on Export when the export dialog appears. Depending on your operating system, you may be prompted to choose a file name and a save location. Pick a short, clear name so it's easy to identify later, and save it somewhere you can find quickly, like your desktop or downloads folder. The export process is typically very fast, even for larger files, but give it a moment if you have many frames or complex visuals. Once the export completes, click on the PDF file to open it and review your pages. Each frame should appear as its own page in the order you expected. Use the page thumbnails in your PDF viewer to skim through the document, and zoom in to check that text and vector graphics are crisp. If something looks off, it usually comes down to frame order, visibility, or items that weren't placed inside frames. That's it. You click the Figma icon, chose Export Frames to PDF, confirmed export, and then open the PDF to review. With this simple workflow, you can generate consistent professional PDFs from your Figma designs